In front of me is INFINIX Note 60, and today I would like to show you how you can resize font. First of all, you need to open Settings and scroll to choose Display and Brightness. Then scroll again, this time to click on Fonts. And operate this slider under font size to adjust it. You can check out preview at the top. Once you're ready, go back. As you can see, after a few seconds, size of my font has changed. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, leave a like, comment and subscribe. Bye!